Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a wig review, you guys. Yeah, it's been a minute, you guys, but I am back. So you guys, the wig that I'm reviewing today is by Outre. It is their new daily wig salon blowout. So this wig was sent to me, you guys, by no other than Sounds of Beauty. Thanks Sounds of Beauty for sending me out this wig, you guys. So the style that I am reviewing is PIPER. Right here, this right here is what the stock car actually looks like. So the color that I have is S427. To me on camera and in person it looks black. So yeah. So let's go ahead and get into the wig and the details about this wig, you guys. So it is premium synthetic fiber lace wig. So it says wear me on the daily. It says it has premium synthetic fibers, natural blowout. Okay, you guys, so this wig is blowout texture, you guys. It's premium synthetic fibers. It is pre-plucked and hand-tied lace parting, you guys. Pre-attached elastic band and breathable mesh cap. Heat and styling friendly. But I did not apply any heat to this wig, only because, you guys, this wig is straight out the box. It really didn't need anything done to this unit, you guys. The only thing that I did was go in and put a little bit of my powder. You guys already know I utilize my powder in every video, so I just utilized my powder, put a little bit in the parting a little bit, and that was it, you guys. And it does, like I said, it comes with an elastic band. As I showed you guys, it comes with 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And it does have adjustable straps too, as well as an elastic band. So I did utilize my clip in the back, and I also utilized my adjustable straps as well. So you guys, I must say I actually do like this wig, you guys. When I first put it on, I was a little iffy or whatever, but you know what I'm saying, seeing it on me like fixed and stuff like that, I like it. And the bob looks so good. Look at that, y'all. Blow out who, baby? Blow out who? Girl, I gotta blow out. This is my hair. No, okay, you guys. So anyway, also that came with this wig, you guys, was a little Outre brochure of all the daily wigs that they have that are new. You just can look through the brochure and you see all the wigs. Even if you don't like this wig, you guys, there's different choices that you can choose from. So yeah, I thought that was really neat. They have so many different types of wigs. This brochure goes on and on and on and on. So that is really awesome. You get to, you know, pick which wig you prefer. But like I said, I actually do like this wig. Yeah, Bob life. Okay, you guys. So that's all that I really have to say about this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this installing process. Okay, I can even talk. Hope you guys enjoy the installing process, you guys. It was just like a 1 2 3 thing. Put it on, put a little powder, and go. I obviously didn't glue this wig down because it didn't need to be glued, and plus this is a glueless wig. So yeah, you guys. This wig is cute. Okay, period. Okay, you guys, I love this wig. I hope you guys like this review and this tutorial. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.